400. $400 gun.
It's a good gun though. I think it's easily right. You could sit back here and hit anyone on the other. You could use that thing as a sniper rifle. It's so damn accurate.
So
It's heavy.
like run out there.
How's your? Let me see your front of your nose.
What we're gonna want to do is,
no
we really want to get to this buffer here. Once we get this middle building, you can essentially just form a line across the field. And just keep them back at these 4 alleyways back there.
Okay.
It goes, but it ain't going
Most likely,
Like I said, just hold it like.
You stretch. If you cramp up, that's not my fault.
Right, actually. Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Go! Game on!
Go, 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 go.
Let's go! They're coming in force! Keep moving!
You walking that way?
yeah.
Moving up, left side!
We gotta get the cover soon. This is about.
Cowboy! Hey, you guys! You're being watched for the cowboy! He's in the hothouse!
Crank up the mag. Is that the 74U?
Yeah.
Nice. Never been a fan of the all black, but it looks pretty good. Push up. How you doing?
Low cap mag. Can you hold this real quick? Oh, you have a GoPro?
Suppressing!
Yeah. Huh? Are you recording? Sick.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube? What's it gonna be called?
Airsoft field work or something? I don't know. I'll think about it. Here, can I see?
Just put Ukau's in the title so I can find it.
Yeah, I know. That's gonna be sick. I'll probably just do that and put the date.
Wait. Hello YouTube, my name is FPS Russia, and today we are going to shoot up some baddies.
Let's do this.
Suppressing!
Oh, no.
They got eyes on us. Right
Where
side.
they at? Right side?
This guy, a few buildings up, just pointing at us.
Which building?
Seriously, the beehives and that light.
Oh, Hornets, a wasp. A wasp.
Oh, wasp nest.
Yeah, what up? Hey, there's a guy
He's over by
down here, but I can't get him.
Yeah.
There's a guy.
Hey, will you move back with me?
Yeah. You see straight in the corner?
I can't see him, my glasses are too blurred with sweat.
Shit, I don't want to run back.
I don't think anti-fog could do anything for this.
No, that feels like paintball all the time.
I used to do that a couple times. I don't know why I just got scared of the paintballs. It was some weird depression thing.
The hell that hurt.
I know. Airsoft is like, oh sweet, my gun actually looks like a gun and it doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Except it's sort of like a trade-off, like paintball you'll get bruises, but with airsoft you get tiny bruises and it has a possibility of actually piercing your skin. Yeah.
Some dude shot me point blank in the middle finger once, Halloween, or the day before.
I have
with an
one
AEG.
from like a month or two ago.
Ow.
Some guy shot me point blank.
From which way? That way or that way? You want to move to that brown house, I think?
I can't see shit. I gotta
that
go
shot
back
was
to the
from a
state.
person that
I
I'd
gotta
already
wipe my
shot.
nose.
I'd already shot him and they shot me.
Hey, you want to move up to that brown house?
But it was because I hit him in the vest, so he's what do you call it? He was one of my friends.
Hey, you moving up to the brown house?
Hey, where'd he go? Over there? Go to the brown house.
Oh wow, they took out the board here, so now you can actually see through here.
On his soul.
They can't shoot till they get to a bunker. That's how it works for them.
So much bugs in here.
Tango, cowboy, up and left!
Come on.
Suppressing!
Wait,
I made some new tuck. Chase. Yeah, chase.
Where are they at?
Straight up ahead, a little bit to the left as well.
Covering! Enemies dead ahead!
I wasn't actually shooting. Keep impressive, 14. Oh.
Friendly down! Squad!
oh no.
Why am I shooting blanks? Can you do me a favor? You look like you're a good shot. Guys over on the side of the building. There's a lot of enemies on the left.
Over there.
Yeah, oh, right there and right here. There's a dude watching us. I believe this cowboy hat.
Alright.
Hey, buddy with the EBR. Can you get snipers on guys on the left? Oh, that was an RPG.
Did you miss?
You saw it. I heard it. I don't know if it hit me. What the hell? Oh, that's why.
What?
The magazine wasn't fully closed. It's weird it wasn't, but... Hey! Now we're back in business. Oh, did that shoot you? I'm sorry.
Oh, we got RPG here.
A lot of guys just right in front of us. I'd hold your fire for now. You only got 4 of those. You might want to use them sparingly.
How's the left?
Yeah, your respawn is all the way in the back. Tap it up. It's that one. Just tap it down. You gotta come back in the L formation. You still get to cut across now, but you gotta go to the L formation. Just it.
Where the hell are they? Oh, right shield. I'm not even bother shooting him. Don't even bother shooting a right shield guy. Oh god. His bullets are curving.
Riot shield.
And his partner comes out. I'm gonna blast him.
Now.
Come on, buddy, pop out.
Where are you coming from?
Right shield's moving up.
Reloading. Where are they?
Right shield's moving up to the right. They're like right over there.
Yeah.
CO2 canister.
Been 3 minutes.
No, I did. Just walk to the right.
Is that a guy? Is that the guy sitting right there? Or no? Can't tell.
Does that go all the way to the end? Yeah. Actually, 4 AKs, like real life. It was like $8.
How much was the gun itself?
100. You can get the 2013 enhanced version.
John, stop
which is
socializing
same-
and fire.
Shredder Stutzman, which is the same, but it's all black, and it has better gearbox. It's more upgraded. Alright, I'm socializing and shooting. There you go.
Yeah, oh, I got him. I got the guy in hot use again. Yeah, I need you to come off right here. Come here, come here, come here.
They're all moving up! We got 3 blast tangos moving up, straight down the lane!
It's almost out of battery, so be careful. Is it on full auto right now? Yeah.
Nice from us. Is that giant stick the fire? Oh, it's a bipod. I thought it was a fire stick from one. I'm like, what?
Like, whoa.
Enemy moving up! Left side!
That side. I got the big guy in hot use again.
Big guy?
Yeah.
That's the one.
He's walking back.
Alright. Nice shooting.
Thank you. Hey, is anybody down there? Is anybody down the alley? Not yet.
Hi.
Alright.
Oh, you have to keep the stock adjusted so it won't fall out.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, they're still shooting.
He's got fire on this. Hey, you good with that gun? Alright, crap, he's covered on us. Peek out that window. You know the hot use building? The white one with red writing?
Yeah.
Right side, okay?
Right side. Alright.
There's should be about 2. Don't. Be careful, be careful. He's behind it. You see
Yeah,
him?
I see him.
Alright.
He's poking out.
Alright, ready? We're both gonna fire. 3, 2, 1, go. We got one of them.
Hey, where'd Ken go?
What?
Where'd Ken go?
Hey, Tony, where are you?
Hey, Isaac, you want to move up there? To that next bunker right there? Hold on.
I'm moving up.
Alright, to that next bunker?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Oh, Ken's right there.
I need one more person to make that move. Shit.
You're not gonna hit him with the pistol.
Put that back in.
He's all the way over there. Where is he? Look, he's coming up.
Full magazine with actually good BBs. Hey, Pony, I'm coming. Hey, cover me. Can you cover me?
After this guy, should I rent a high cap mag?